What are you doing? You're not Mum's friend. You're not Mum's friend, Ice. Did Mum bath you? You look all fluffy now and wet like a drowned rat. And Kia's being Mum. You're not an happy boy. Oh dear. Tiana's a tramp. Tiana? Tiana? Don't ignore me. Are you a tramp? Are you not my friend now? Ice is saying I don't like being bathed. Typical boy. Hey, daft lad. Ice. Ice. You tramp. I've just mopped this floor, I shouldn't have bothered. Yeah. Tiana, you're not bothered about a bath, are you? It's Storm's turn next. Stormy, have a bath. Stormy, have a bath. Yeah, Ice had a bath and he's not an happy bunny. Tiana had a bath, she don't care.